For Christmas 2018, we are going to review the EZTEC Scientific Toys North Pole Express train. Now, I got this back in 2014, but I haven't made a video of it until now. So as we can see, we have the locomotive, the tender, figure skating car, handle car with elves, box car, caboose. Complete with these signs as well, as you can see. And we have a figure 8 track. This is the whole track that it came with, which unfortunately has deteriorated over the years because these trains are not as expensive as you think they are. They are very cheap, but at least for me, I have no problems with it so far. So let's power up the train. Now, EZTEC and Scientific have been making trains for many years now. And of course they have changed over the years, such as the detailing. It isn't as detailed as it used to be. And that the power is now provided in the cab instead of the tender. Also, it used to have a number 6 on it, but of course they also took that away. And there's the headlight for you. And it came with this remote that I'm about to show you. This puts the train forward, stops the train, backs the train, and sounds. So right now we're going to do a good number of runs with the train. We're going to run throughout the whole sound, and that's about it. So here we go. And that about covers it. Also, the train can be started without a remote by pressing this black button. This, I think, represents the whistle, but give it one tap, and there it goes. And there you have it, the North Pole Express train set. Now, of course, since this is a cheap train, like I said, it's not the best quality, but if you have someone that really likes trains, then this is something I really recommend for you. There's my cat. So yeah, this is the North Pole Express. And these, by the way, are typical signs, except for this one that you would pretty much find in a regular railroad world. Stop sign, railroad crossing, do not trespass, reduce speed, the whistle logo. But yeah, here's the North Pole Express as it is. Merry Christmas, everybody.